racers, I'm Spin Winner, the driver with more rhythm in all Turbo City. And right now I'm first place in this race. Now I'm last. Oh, because of a puncture. But now with my new wheels, I'm gonna win back my title, the king of the track.
Oh, a mid-set race's boxes portal. Once again, our vehicles are gonna be modified. The race can change completely after being in these boxes.
That's my chance.
Ha!
Boxes mix and race. They are technological portals where cars jump inside, and when leaving, your car has been completely modified.
Ahoy! This car is ready for boarding! This car's galactic!
This car has the best music power.
Hard Rocker, are speakers that play rock music at full blast, creating sound waves that impact rivals who aren't on the same wavelength.
Hard Rocker at full blast.
No! That's worse than a meteor shower! I'm sorry, Sailor, but this horrible music isn't knocking me out of the race. I won't allow it!
We'll see about that. Game Breaker!
Game Breaker, electronic weapon with the power of glitching rival cars, leaving them unusable.
My car went crazy! What's going on?
Game over, Captain Crash. Spin Winner is the king of the dance floor and the king of the track.